Hello everyone. Welcome to PlanArty's channel. Thank you for joining our calendar tutorial. Available on the dashboard, the calendar can also be accessed from the menu. You can choose to see your calendar in several variants, namely, monthly format, daily format, and in any of these you can easily navigate as you wish. As well as in the weekly format. You can also select to see, for example, only your to-do list items. In their case, you will notice very clearly the color difference between the tasks that you have set as done, and those that are still active. Directly in the calendar, you can change the time frame of a to-do item, with drag and drop. Also, you can change its duration simply by dragging its bottom edge. Moreover, you can even initiate a time tracking line from a to-do list item. Immediately the corresponding track will appear on the time tracking bar. Another possibility to view your records is to choose the display only for the time tracking lines. These also can be deleted, cloned, or edited directly from the calendar. And on top of that, you can choose to see all your recordings. And this gives you the opportunity to compare tracking's compliance with schedules. For easier identification, all your to-do list items are marked with this icon, your time tracking records are marked with this one, and the item that is being worked on is also marked with a different icon. On the dashboard, the calendar has the same functionalities. Therefore, you can create a new to-do item right here, by selecting the time frame in which you want to plan it. This way you'll always have a clean and clear schedule. This was our calendar tutorial. Thank you for watching it.